Alright, this is 3672 Darston in Palm Harbor. And I just want to do a pre-jet inspection. So we've reset the counter right at the clean out. And the debris that we have at a joint is going to be right at 45 feet. Right here. Then we've got a 45. Oh, that three-way. Okay, so there's a double Y in here. I see what's going on. So we're going to clean all this stuff out of the double Y. Usually find issues with double Ys depending on the type of toilet paper that's used, because everything comes together in one spot. So we definitely have a double Y there at 48 feet. So we're gonna get this all cleaned out, and then we'll take another look at it.
That's the problem, that's the double Y.
Alright, so I'm going to conclude this video, and we'll make another one when we get this line clean.